Hello friends! Welcome back to English class with me, Miss Effie. Today, we are going to talk about the farm animals that have eggs. Listen and watch my explanation.
Friends, let's mention the farm animals that have eggs and the babies. Chicken. The baby is chick. Goose. The baby is gosling. Duck. The baby is duckling. Turkey. The baby is poult. Friends, now it's time for you to answer my questions. What is the baby animal of chicken? Chick or duckling? Yes, chick. What is the baby animal of goose? Chick or gosling? Correct, gosling. What is the baby animal of duck? Poult or duckling? Very good, duckling.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching me and see you again on the next topic. See you again, friends. Bye!